why you don't want to wait to sell. Hi, I'm Kim with Meeker Realty Group. While it can be tempting to sell your house on your own, it's really not worth the headache. Here are a few reasons to work with a real estate professional like us. Number one, a professional like us follows the latest housing market trends. Industry expertise is important, especially in a shifting market. I can help you understand what's happening now and what that means when you sell your house. Number two, a professional helps you maximize your pool of buyers. Buyer demand has eased this year as mortgage rates were continuing to rise. But I'll help make sure your house gets in front of as many eager buyers as possible. And three, a professional is a skilled negotiator. Because demand has eased and inventory has increased this year, buyers have more negotiating power. You want to make sure someone will advocate for you and handle any conversations about repairs, closing costs, and more. If you're going to sell your house, you don't have to do it alone. And to be honest, you don't want to. Let's connect so you have an expert on your side each step of the way. Until then, make it a great day.